Okay, guys, welcome once again to my channel. In this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online. How to make money online. So on this video, we are going to basically talk about how you can make money on YouTube, guys. All right. So how you can run and make like a night stream income on YouTube, like how you can actually, guys, please understand me. This is all about making money online. So I've got something good for you here. I was checking here on my system. You know, I'm always busy checking for you guys on ways on how you can start making your own money online. All right. So, guys, if you can see here, I've got something. This is the YouTube Mastery. This is by MacPub. It will teach you how you can run 9 different profitable uh, YouTube channels and make a 6-figure income from them. Imagine 6-figure income just sitting at home running YouTube videos, guys. So I want you to go through this, enroll in this training. It's a free training. It will show you how you can make money on YouTube, guys. If you really want to make money online, guys, you can check this out. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to leave the link on the description to this video, that you will see how you can actually make money online using YouTube, guys. All right. So if you want to start making money, guys, just go down here, enroll on this training, learn how to make money each and every day while you sleep. So don't forget to subscribe on this channel, guys. I'll be bringing more videos, so don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you do not miss out on any other video that I post, because of I'm bringing value to you guys. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe my videos. Thank you. Bye.